Hi everybody. I received some questions from the students about DNS cache poisoning, and I will create this illustration here to show to you in simple words what is cache poisoning. So what we have here is a victim want to visit the home banking, for example, and the IP address is 1234, and I have here the home banking example.com. So the attacker changed the cache of DNS server for this name of domain here, example.com, but we see here that in the final letter E, the attacker changed the E for a number 3, but the IP address remain the same, 1234. This is the, in simple words, that what are the DNS cache poisoning attacks. I have an A address, and I put my attack against the A address and changes the IP of this address and the domain, the server, for a little time or a long time, depending of the configuration of the service of the company. For example, the attacker can be inside the server for a long time. In Singapore, for example, the attackers remain inside the server for 3 months, and no one can discover these actions in the network traffic. But monitoring network traffic can help us to discover some DNS cache poisoning in the UDP packet. So pay attention that there is a lot of tools. For example, in the Kali Linux platform, we have the EtherCap to do the cache poisoning attack, and we have the Networks software inside the Kali Linux to do the same attacks in the form of the integrated actions to change the E address of the domain and put a malicious IP, a malicious domain name inside the servers. Okay, this is the cache poisoning attack. Thank you.